This water is so muddy. Can we make a filter?
Wow!
Let's build a simple filter and see what happens. First, we need our bottle ready. Our first layer is soft cotton. Next comes a layer of charcoal. Now we add clean sand. And last, we add clean gravel. Time to test our filter. Look! The water is passing through the layers. Wow, look at the difference. The dirty water went through all the filter layers and came out much clearer. The layers can trap some dirt and particles. That's filtration. That's filtration. Remember, this experiment water is not for drinking.
Huh?
Science is amazing!